First look and hands-on of iPhone 15 Pro Max Spigen Ultra Hybrid S case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. The Ultra Hybrid S for the iPhone 15 Pro Max embodies both minimalism and functionality. It features hybrid technology for optimal defense against impacts while preserving clarity with zero yellowing. For added convenience, Ultra Hybrid S comes with a built-in kickstand with our classic metal kickstand bound to add convenience when reading or watching videos. Ultra Hybrid S has everything you need in its slim but functional casing. A clean and timeless design that keeps your phone looking as good as new. The Ultra Hybrid S shows off the look of your device, while the outer bumper adds edge protection and the backing keeps it scratch-free. Plus, the kickstand brings a new level of viewing convenience. Your iPhone 15 Pro Max becomes stylish and convenient at the same time. Clear polycarbonate back shows the beauty of your iPhone 15 Pro Max, while built-in magnetic kickstand brings convenience in hands-free viewing. TPU bumper provides protection from bumps while keeping a slim profile. The Ultra Hybrid S from Spigen combines a TPU bumper with a polycarbonate back, creating extreme dual protection. The case acts as a bumper by wrapping itself around the sides of your device, while the transparent back panel offers fantastic protection for the back of your iPhone 15 Pro Max. A transparent polycarbonate back with a slim design, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max maintains the original look of your smartphone while ensuring it is fully protected. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid S for the iPhone 15 Pro Max embodies both minimalism and functionality. It features hybrid technology for optimal defense against impacts while preserving clarity with zero yellowing. For added convenience, the back features a metal kickstand for tireless hands-free viewing whenever, wherever. Ultra Hybrid S has everything you need in its slim but functional frame.